Hello students, welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 6, the three orders. This is module 6. In fifth we discuss about the fourth order, that were about the peasants or the serfs. Now here we will discuss about cathedral towns. Cathedral towns. Before that, in fourth order, one important thing was that the serfs, or you may say the slaves, what was in that slaves? If the slaves run away and they could not be caught, for a year and a day, they were considered free. It means such things were there. If these serfs or the slaves, if they run away and they are not caught, then they were set free for a year and a day. Okay, that thing was there. That was very important, especially for the serfs or the slaves, and due to this the number of the slaves that were increasing, but when they were getting freedom they were also getting the opportunities. Okay, now in cathedral towns we will discuss about the cathedral towns, or you may say the churches. These are the hub places. These were the large churches. These were the large churches that were made by the rich peoples. That was made by the rich people by the donation or by the collecting of fund. Such churches were made, and what happened? The churches were made by the donations. Even the common persons, they also contribute something. That may be in the form of manual labor, or that may be for any another work. So rich people as well as the common people, they also donate some money. Next thing was there, on the sides of the churches there started the town. Means some of the towns or the cities that also started, you may say, on the bank or on the sides, on the nearby places of these churches. So what were these? These cathedral churches were becoming the hub of worship. It means even the pilgrims from other places, they move to these churches, and here on these even the formation of town also started. Even the formation of towns, it means the town started to grow up on these nearby areas, and due to this the development was going on. And what was the feature of this? A hole was made in the churches, and in that a corner was made from where the bishop preaches. What was that? A hole was made, and in that hole a corner was there where that bishop, that priest, that monk can see everything, and from that he preached the people, he gave the sermons, And what happened? These were the churches had glasses from which sunlight was coming, from which sunlight comes. Okay, it means during the daytime the churches, they were made with this, you may say, glasses, or you may say the visible transparent things that were made. Next thing, what was that? In night the lights were used in the form of lamp. The lights were used in the form of lamps, and from those glasses, even on those glasses, some pictures were made that were related to Jesus, or that were related to this Christian religion. So they were made a huge one, and they were world famous, and some important pilgrims or some of the people who have faith in the God, they visit these types of the churches. Okay. Now next is the crisis of 14th century. Now, earlier we discussed that there were some of the problem regarding 9th, 10th, 11th century. Now here what will be? The crisis of 14th century. The crisis of 14th century. It means there were three things that suffered a what? There started increase in temperature. Due to that imbalance in nature. What happened? During that 14th century, the temperature started to grow, started to increase. And earlier we had discussed that in 12th and 13th century the production was more, the people were becoming healthier, economic condition was also becoming strong. But when we come to the 14th century, some of the problems starts here. Next, what was that? The agricultural land decrease. And even the production suffers. So what was that? Due to this agriculture loss, this was the loss in production. Next thing, what was there? The cultivation of crops also reduced. What happened earlier? They were having 3-time cropping season, 3 you may say times a year, but due to this increase in temperature, they were not having enough resources, enough facilities were not available, so the cultivation of crops as well as the production, that suffered. Next thing, what was that? Even famines also occurred, and due to this there were the shortage of the food, the population started to decrease, the number of inhabitants that increased a lot, now they were decreasing. And it means such problems were there that were totally affecting the human beings. That may be lords, that may be the peasants. Everybody were suffering, and this was a huge loss that can't be denied. This was the first problem. Second problem, what was that? Decrease in the currency material. What was that? Silver was used in the currency. But there was the shortage of silver in Austria and Serbia. What happened? From here the silver was importing, here the number, the quantity decreased, and due to this the currency that also suffered. And what happened? What they did, they adopted less valuable currency, less valuable metal in currency, less valuable metal in currency. It means earlier what was silver was used, but here another metal, that may be copper, that may be aluminium, or some of the other metal. So these were the two crises that we had discussed. Now third crisis, what was that? Export and import was also at a large scale. The goods were sold and purchased. And what happened? See, what was that? Due to business point of view, the ships were going from one place to another, Now what happened? The ships that were going, that were coming, and due to this what happened? There started the bubonic plague. That is also called Black Death, due to rats. What happened? The ships were coming and going, and in those ships rats were there, and they feed. You know that a rat feeds very fastly. They reproduce very fastly, and their number within a short span of time that increased a lot. And what happened? Due to these rats, this bubonic plague or Black Death, they started. And what happened on the population? The population suffered. Somewhere 20% and even more. It means some areas were there where 20% population that died, and some areas were there where even 40%. It means this was a huge man loss. And what happened due to this man loss? Due to shortage of labor, there increased the wages. What happened? When labor was not available, the laborers that were less in number and work was more. Due to this, there increased the number of wages. And due to such problems, there were the revolts. There were the criticized. Yeah, you may say there were the agitation. The people wanted that these things should not happen. But these were the major problems that affected the 14th century. And due to this, a lot of things suffered. That may be in the form of men and money loss. All things were concerned to this.